So we are doing this, that self-pollination is transferring pollen from stamen to anther, from anther to stigma of same flower or another flower at same plant. And obviously cross-pollination is all same except that a different plant. It is when pollen go from anther to stigma of the flower at another plant. Yes or no? अब मुझे बताइए, the most important thing that we need to do in this topic was comparing. Hello बच्चों, the advantage and disadvantages का जो self and cross pollination का advantage or disadvantage. Well, so this is let's see. No, I should write the other way. Oops. Was it a glitch? Oh, great. Well, so I'll be writing three things: variation, capacity to respond to environment, and reliance on pollinator. Will anybody guess, please? Variation, ability, capacity, ability to respond to environment. Would you like to say something about these three things? That, yes, pollinators. That which of the pollination ensures more variety?
Cross pollination.
But just self or cross, which one ensures more variation?
Cross pollination.
So do you think self pollination produces no variety or less variety?
Less variety. No variety. Wait.
Less variety
Yeah.
because if it's from one flower to the other flower on the same plant.
Plant. Yes, yes, very good. तो वेरिएशन में होगा कि लेस, किसमें होगा? सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन, है ना? Because what?
It can be
Because both gametes, no, both gametes are from same. Hello, बच्चों, same plant.
Yeah.
And will you tell me capacity to respond to environmental changes? In which case is there more capacity?
cross pollination.
If it's cross pollination.
Very good. More if pollination is cross. Why? Bachcho, why? Because
Both
of
gametes-
dash variety, more or less.
More variety.
So more ability to respond to changes. And third one, Miss Sir, which one is more efficient? Self or cross?
I guess self.
Self is more efficient. Why, Rubaisha? Because it does depend on
Self.
pollen.
Self.
Why? Because it does depend on pollinators, it does not depend on pollinators. Bachcho,
Sir,
because
can you repeat, sir?
yeah,
does not
it
depend-
does depend on pollinators, yeah, it does not depend on pollinators. Shall someone tell me what are pollinators?
insects.
Pollinators are external agencies like insects.
Yeah, can you example दे सकती हैं?
Like insects or birds or like bugs.
नहीं,
Maybe.
bird को dispersal के लिए कहते हैं, insects and vents. ठीक है बच्चों, do not confuse agents of pollination with agents of dispersal. That's a seed dispersal variable. Well, I think we'll be finishing, but it took us a little more time.
Dispersal. सर दोबारा बता सकते हैं?
वो तो अभी हम नहीं देखे. But this is
तो dispersal बता सकते हैं?
वो dispersal word यूज होता है seeds के लिए और fruits के लिए. अच्छा, अब आप मुझे ये बताएं कि व्हाट इज फर्टिलाइजेशन इन प्लांट्स? बच्चों, व्हाट इज
Mainly
फर्टिलाइजेशन इन
pollen
प्लांट्स व्हेन डैश न्यूक्लियस फ्यूजेस विद डैश न्यूक्लियस?
pollen haploid nucleus was diffused with
ओहो, प्लांट्स में बच्चों व्हेन पोलन
Pollen
न्यूक्लियस
with ovary. Ovules, I mean.
व्हेन पोलन न्यूक्लियस फ्यूजेस विद
pollen nucleus. Oh, sorry, what? Pollen nucleus.
Ovules.
यस ओव्यूल न्यूक्लियस. वेरी गुड. बच्चों एक सेकंड, आई नीड टू टेक अ फोन. Please allow me 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Excuse me. Sorry, बच्चों. Sorry, there's guests around. वो असल में मेरी मदर है, तो उनको देखने के लिए मेहमान आ रहे हैं आजकल. Yes. तो बच्चों ये हमें this was fertilization. And you know, इसके हम थोड़ा सा डायग्राम भी हम समझते हैं. You have to tell me what am I drawing. Hello, anybody?
Sir, stigma, style, and ovary, so carpel.
So first of all, very good, beta. First of all, dash falls here. What is that?
Pollen grain.
Pollen grain. Sahar, Ikra, सुन रही हैं आप? Ikra तो बोल रही मुझे. This is
Yes, sir.
pollen grain, right? And then the next stage, when condition is suitable, so pollen grain germinates. What does it mean? That this makes a tube down the style.
It's called pollen tube.
Yes. It's called pollen tube. And the nucleus comes in this tube. And what is this in the ovary?
Ovules.
Ovule, yes. And this pollen tube has come down, and a nucleus comes into this, and this nucleus fuses with this, and what is made is diploid zygote. Okay? You'll have to excuse me for. Hello.
Stigma.
Yes, this is pollen falls on stigma. What is it called?
Pollination.
Very good. This event is called pollination. ये बहुत important बात है, बहुत important. And then pollen tube emerges. You know what is that?
The one which carries pollen from
Anybody?
stigma.
It contains the two
No,
nuclei.
what is this called?
Mm,
Joins with the.
No, this is called
Fuse?
germination. This is called germination of pollen grain. बच्चों आपको पता है जैसे सीड में से रेडिकल और प्रोम्यूल बाहर आता है ना, हम कहते हैं सीड जर्मिनेशन. तो पोलन ग्रेन से ट्यूब इमर्ज होती है. इट्स कॉल्ड पोलन जर्मिनेशन. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर दैट इज
the
पोलन डैश.
nuclei.
Fertilization.
Sir, the cytoplasm and the two nuclei pass into the pollen
Yeah,
tube.
moves down to dash.
Ovule.
Ovule.
Pollen tube moves down to ovary, your ovule. Then what happens?
Fusion
Pollen nucleus
combines with the
yeah,
ovule.
fuses with ovule nucleus.
Sir,
but-
what's a micropyle?
Again?
A
Not needed.
micropyle.
Not needed. Not needed. Making dash.
Zygote.
Yeah.
Yeah.
G. Micropyle is the entry point of ovule. This is this one. Ikra, this is micropyle.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा बच्चों, seed germination क्या होती है? When dash and dash come out of seed.
The root, which is the radical, and the
Plumule,
plumule,
yeah.
which is the shoot.
And these guys, when come out, So if this is seed,
Which are positive, which are
seed is basically ovule, the mature ovule. And you know, this is called seed coat, the cover, testa. When this will absorb water, it will get softened. That's why they say that water, your moisture is a must for seed germination. What else is a must? Air.
Why is it must?
Because the water softens the testa. No?
Okay.
And third thing that is a must is suitable temperature. If even a single one is missing, that seed won't germinate. So this marks the end of reproduction in plants. We would like to see some questions on.
Sir, what about cotyledons?
Sorry?
Cotyledons.
Take a second. So describe structure of investigate, describe the germination of seed and investigate ovule. Yes. Wait, sorry. We missed one point. Are we here? I'm not finding the screen where we were writing. Zara? हाँ मुझे बच्चों आपको मेरी स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है?
No, sir, चली गई है. मतलब नजर आ रही है, but not the specific page we were writing on.
Because I think I lost that. That comes on another sheet. ये क्या बेटा?
यही वाले किसी पे लिख रहे थे नीचे, ये ऐसा नीचे
जी सर, ये वाली.
Who's that? Anyways. Yes. Yes बेटा, तो सीड का जो इंटरनल है ना, like inside seed, the biggest structure other than what do you call it? Inside the seed coat, this is cotyledon. It's food reserve.
yes,
And you know what comes out of seed first of all is radicle.
yeah, the future
And
proof.
then another thing that comes is plumule.
Yeah.
So radicle is bigger size,
Yeah,
plumule is small size. I would
Cotyledon,
like to
radical
show
and
you. जी बेटा?
sir cotyledon उसके अंदर radical.
बेटा इसे